ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you.
Good morning!
Morning, guys.
Good morning, Shelly. Kakain siya ng kanyang
Banana bread.
banana bread and yung lunch nila is spaghetti. Yeah. You get. We don't have nuggets. No, it's finished. We finished the nuggets.
Yeah. You gave the rest to me.
Yeah, I give it to Holly. Well, today ang agenda is mag-ship ako, then mag-grocery. So, asikasin ko muna yung aking isi-ship and then we're going to Kohl's.
Yes.
Okay. Initin ko muna yung spaghetti. Kuya, there's none. You found some? I don't think so. What's that one? French fries. Okay. Kuya magluluto ng fries.
Ay, all one.
Okay. Hi. Dito kami sa post office. Mag-ship muna ako. Then, punta na kami ng Kohl's. Cart knock.
Where?
Oh, so the lady's just there. Come on. You're staying here? Oh, you're coming? Okay. So, mag-ship muna kami. Okay, we're done shipping. Yan tayo ng Mount. Ala, nasaan na kayo? Okay, let's go, Sak. I have cold water there, Sak, if you want. Mag-Kmart muna kami. What's this? This is a new shop. Bukas na siya pero wala namang tao. Ano? Carts and craft.
Store for sale.
Store for sale. Dati tong ano,
I'll get it.
ano nga to? Ano ba to? What's this before, Sak? Foodland. Dati siyang Foodland. So, eto pala yung kinuha ko dito sa Kmart and titingin din tayo yung pang-cover sa kanilang notebooks. Get this one, AAA. Okay. Wala dito yung sa notebook nila. Bayad na tayo. Alright, it's alright now, Holly. It's alright now. Okay, let's go. Punta kami dito sa news agency para dun sa notebook cover nila. Here. Ayan. Plastic. This one. Is it? Yeah. I know, this is hard. Tinitingnan niyo yung tamang size. Hindi ba? Huh? Is it the size? Yeah. Yeah, that's the right size. Okay, how many you have to get? How many notebook do you have?
Got 10.
10, okay. I'll get 15 pieces. Okay, let's go. Yan, nakuha na namin. Next namin is, punta kami sa arena. Kasi si Sak, bibili siya ng pencil case. Nawawala yung pencil case niya from last year. Ayaw niya yung pencil case na nakuha namin dun sa school. Gusto niya, branded. Yung ano ba, surf brand. Right, Zach? Okay, let's
hit the water.
Okay, let's go. Dito tayo sa arena. Ito mga surf brand to. Alam niya kung saan siya pupunta.
This is where I got my clothes from.
Yeah, you and Daddy. Dito sila namili ng daddy niya last time. Wow.
This one.
That big?
Yeah.
You sure?
Uh-huh.
How about that little one?
No, this one. No, it's too small.
Alright, okay. Ito namili si Jan. Ah, still here, Holly.
Yeah. In my jumper. Grab one.
Ito yung mga binili ni Jan sa kanya. Kung maalala
In
nyo.
my dress one. My
Yeah. Ito yung suit niya. Yeah, that's your dress.
How you going?
Good, thank you. Ito. Suit pa rin to ni, kasusuot lang ni Holly yesterday. That was the first time you wore this one. Binili yun ni Jam, pero kahapon niya lang na suot. And meron din siya nito. Nandito pa yung mga damit. Ito kay Sak. Yeah. And eto din, meron ito si Holly. Maliit na nga kay Holly kasi ang kinuha ni Jan maliit. Diba? $50 to. Alright, let's go. Let's buy that one. You know what, Holly? You need a little bag for your dance.
Oh, there is that one. That's still too big.
Yes, still too big for her. Look at her. So small. There's no bag for you, Baba, para sa kanyang dance.
nice one.
You like that color? Well, there's no other options. Punta na kami ng Baker's Delight muna bago sa Coles. Kasi nandito na sa area to yung Baker's Delight. What's that? And yung Baker's Delight, ayun lang. Yung dalawa hindi na sumama. Dito na pala kami sa Coles and ayan yung bread na nabili natin. Okay, let's go.
See, talkies.
Come on. Bili tayo ng baon. Back to school. Wipe it first, Holly. You want muffins, Holly? What, banana or blueberry? Blueberry? The small one. Blueberry, no, because we have banana bread.
Oh, yeah.
Sack here.
They have a new flavor.
Put into your sack. Open this one. That's for the big stuff there. Oh, this is not the apple. Which one, green or red? Okay, just green. Raspberries, okay.
Raspberries too. I like that raspberry.
Sack, oh. Here, sack, berries here on top. Ha?
Is there no strawberries?
Wala na. Walang strawberries. Ang dinner namin ay chicken. No. Wait, Baba. I want the tutong ba? Eto. Okay. Here's that. Onions. Baba, open that one, please.
Wait, on put this one.
Huh?
We need more bags.
Yeah. Bananas.
And there's a nut.
No, we just get this one. I think this will be enough for now, baby. I'll get this one, Papa. Yeah. Okay, where's the bag, Baba?
Oh, no. How much?
Just gonna get 2 for now. Saka. Ito tayong chicken mince. Twiggies? Hot? Mild? Why is this too hot? Oh, this is alright. Ah, Kuya will eat that one. Ay, wala sila. Ah, tayong salmon. Dalawa na lang. Walang baramandi. Ayan, ilang kaya to? $90 siya. Ilang piraso kaya? You want smiley frites and gypsy ham? Yep. No. Ni-slice pa ni Kuya yung yung smiley frites ko tayo ng hotdog. Thank you. Saka. That's for now. Thank you. Cabana. This one? This one? Alright.
No joking.
That one? Alright. We need butter. Orange mango. Orange mango. Yeah. Daddy wants the orange mango. The milk.
hands
Yeah,
are
this one.
My hands are gonna get cold, so I would. Oh, just.
Okay, that's right. Where's the bag, Baba? Yeah. Wait lang. Maybe this one. Oh yeah, it's alright.
Be true. Okay, there's no more bags in my hand.
The soy?
Yep.
You want the lime? Chili lime, kay Zaki boy. Huh? No, we just gonna wait it there. A lot. Okay, I think it's enough.
Yeah, that's one more. Yeah.
Okay, 973. That's the code.
973. 973. Then 9, 7.
Press it. Ako na sa.
What? Oh, you got push.
Okay. Now you can eat now. Put the price and then share with Holly.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Okay. This is gold. You want the gold one or this one? The green. Okay. Baba plastic bag please. Ang mangga dito hindi maamoy. Walang amoy. Huh?
Can I have some mango for school?
Yeah.
Manga.
Manga. Okay. Yogurt. What yogurt do you want to bring Holly at school?
Vanilla and Gawaing. This is my custard.
Custard.
Custard too.
Okay,
This
can
is
you
mine.
put it here?
Hey,
Okay.
you want a vanilla custard?
Okay, good for you. $1.50. Ito kasi $2.40. Ano pa? Do you want this one? No? How about mango? No? Oh yeah, so all good? Oh. How about this one?
Yeah, I have that in
Breakfast.
the morning.
Yeah. Yeah, this one?
Mm-hmm. We get custard. Yeah.
Tuck, I'm gonna get this one. Cream. Oh, this big one. Saki.
Don't I do that anymore?
This one?
Yeah. I'm having that for dessert tonight with my banana bread. I'm gonna
Welcome.
dip my banana bread into the custard.
Wraps. Mauubos na nila yung binili natin na crisp. Ito.
When I meal code it in apple.
Do you need any chips here? Potato sticks? No, ayaw na nila niyan. Strawberry jam, we still have Nutella. We still have Nutella?
This is the small.
Yeah. Hmm? We need eggs. Ayan. Buti lang chinek natin. Oh, mayroong truck. Dito. Another truck. Dapat talaga chine-check. Lagi niyong i-check pag bumibili kayo ng eggs. Ito parang perfect to. Careful with this one, okay? Yogurt. What you call this? Yakult. I got milk. Itong gusto nilang Yakult eh. Ako, yung isa. Here's that. Yakult, eto. Sak. Snacks here. Do you need any here? How about this one? You didn't look.
Where looks that? They have a new flavor, apple. Yeah, apple and rainbow.
Do they have the big one, Baba? Where's the big
I
pack?
don't think they will have apple in it.
Oh,
Because
okay.
this one's a new flavor.
Alright.
I'm going to try it. There's no big one.
Corn and guacamole. I'll try this one. Try natin to. Okay. Strawberry?
Chocolate.
Chocolate, okay.
Can you order my knees are hurting? Because they try.
Holly wants this to bring at school. Okay. Holly, choose your snacks, please.
Oh, sorry.
What? Nakasave ka ng $3.80. Pag dalawa. Get the honey one. The honey soy chicken. Oh, you gonna get two? Oh, no. That's 2 for 8. The other one's 2 for 14.
Mom, for Chloe Tasia, the strawberry chocolate.
So, you're gonna get that one. 2 of it. Kuha kami ng dalawa niyan. Kasi naka-sale. Nakasave ka ng $3.80.
Mom, what about
Yeah, strawberry shortcake pa kuya. Get 3 Oh, two. Dalawa. Cracker. You want that? Okay. Ah, nagbabalik siya dyan. I thought you were sick of it. Peckish.
I like the popcorn.
We have popcorn.
No, we haven't had it.
We have. I need cake flour. I need cornstarch. Excuse me. Oh, nag-iisa na lang yung cake flour. Last one, baba.
Can I get a gum?
Cake flour. Just cake flour. Ano pa ba? Brown sugar. Dark brown sugar. Okay. Huh? No? Self-raising flour. Saan na yung self-raising flour? Self-raising flour. Sa, come here. So. Okay, what's that, Holly? How about you? How about Kuya? Kuya too. How about Kuya TJ? Alright.
Thanks, Dad.
Welcome. Oh no, I can make pancakes, my homemade pancakes.
The banana ones?
You want that one?
Yes, I love the banana
Like
one
in-
with the chocolate.
Like in Bali. Huh? No. We need oh yeah, burros, yeah. What else do we need? I need syrup. Maple syrup. Maple syrup suck. What you gonna swap?
Nerds.
Ah, nerds. Nerds. Ate. Okay, kasi magpa-pancakes na tayo. Oh, it's up to you. Alright. Magsaswap din siya. It's alright. That one. How about TJ? Ano pa ba? Nuggets. Chicken tenders. And wait. Super duper.
My hands up.
Okay.
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nugget.
Have you got the brown sugar, Mom?
Yes, I did.
And the cacao?
Yes.
What flavor they had the dinosaurs on?
Dinosaur chicken nuggets.
What was it?
Ah, yeah. There's a dinosaur. Kasi last time, ito yung kinuha natin yung letters. What? I know, they don't have the big one. Yung yung letters malaki. Okay, tenders. Chicken tenders.
I'm shivering.
Chicken tender sack. No, not that one. Where's the chicken? Here. Chicken tenders. Chicken tender sack.
Sweet chili would be good.
No, Daddy don't like sweet chili.
Us.
I know about Daddy. No for Daddy. Daddy got toilet paper.
Customer assistance tell
Yeah, I have it. I like this stuff.
You like that one?
Oh, that smells good. It smells
Good? Okay, get two please.
good. Is this one, Mom?
Meron pa niyan. Meron pa yung ibang scent. Pero kuha tayo para hindi tayo maubusan pag
And then
naglalaba.
what else did we name, Mom?
What else do we need? Ate, try ko kaya to. Attack.
Smell it.
This is detergent.
I'll smell it.
It smell good?
Can I smell this?
Ah, yeah.
Can I smell it?
Included yung softener niya. Okay, get two.
You didn't smell it.
Hoy. Feeling mo. Wait. Yeah. Fix that one, Zach.
Wait, that's like clothes. Yeah, clothes.
Okay, what else? We still have shampoo, conditioner, soap.
Black of
What's
black
butter? Si Jan gusto niya itong M&M's na may peanut. Ako din. Ay! M&M's. Yan siya. Wala na talagang diet. Tapos kumuha siya ng Doritos. I have Doritos there, Sak.
Yeah, but not pack it.
Okay. Si Oli gusto itong pambaon-baon. Pa tayo ng butter. Ha? Are you working out? Mabigat na kasi yung card.
Yes, sir. I'm having the like vanilla.
Papa, come here. Do you like the sweet potatoes? This one. You like sweet potato? Ah, we need chips. We need this one. Ah. What? What's that one? I got this one. I got this. You don't like this one?
That's the one with
Alright. Palitan mo din. Sweet potato. Extra crispy. Ano to? You're right. Nilalamig na siya. Okay, I think we're good. Do you want dog food? That's dog food, yeah. Yeah, okay, we're good. Okay, tapos na kami. Bayad na tayo. Are you sure?
you're missing something.
What? No, I already got yesterday. Water, toilet papers, and some other stuff. Okay. Let's go line up there so we're not gonna stand. Sak line up. Here, karap tayo. Para hindi tayo mag-stand. Kapila kami, hindi tayo mag-scan.
Yeah, I'm not touching cold.
Yeah. Si Holly ano niya, yung kamay niya pag nakakahawak siya ng malamig. Para siya, sorry, nagtatay. Tapos ayan, ang pula-pula. Don't suck, don't. Sore. No.
Eggs?
Yes. Careful with the eggs.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
siya. Kasi there's more here. We're done. Ayan yung nerds nila.
This is what they look like.
Oh, looks like.
Over.
Oh, it's oh, this is better. Akala ko yung ano, yung
They have like,
konti lang ba? At least naka-bowls na siya, oh.
they have stuff in it.
Yeah. Uminom lang ng tubig si Sak. Kasi magkakargador na siya. Ayan na siya. Magkakargador na siya. Okay. Ipapasa ko pala to sa kanya. Did you drink water? Oh, there's a ladybug stuff. Cute. Oh.
Still alive?
Yeah.
Thought it can fly.
Chicken that's right. Alright, how good. Dito na kami and si Jan, tsaka si Kuya paalis. Ang gwapo.
What are you doing? Yeah.
What you gonna say?
Wow, let me get out, please, man.
Alright.
Let me get out.
Si Sak na. Si Sak, nagreklamo. Akala niya si Kuya tutulong sa pag put away. Alis. Ayaw niya naman sumama. May kasi si Jan. Pupunta sila ni Kuya sa mount para sa trots. May laro kasi yung horse ni Dad. May takbo. May takbo. Ayun na si Kuya. Ayun naman si Kuya. Oh, tulong naman si Kuya. Oh, alright. I'll stay here. Yeah.
Hi, come here.
Stay pala ako dito kasi papasok ko yung car.
Yeah.
Anong oras na? Ano na kasi? Mag-alas 5 na. Ayan si Kuya. Palit ako ng SD card. Ayan. Nag-change tayo. Kinuha ko yung SD card ng aming drone na never pa naming nagamit. As in. Tinanggal ko muna yung sa drone. Never namin nagamit yung drone. Siguro once lang nung trinay ni Jan. 2 years or 3 years ago. Okay, mag-put away ako. Mayroon ako na put away. Nilagay ko na yung gatas. Tsaka yung juice. And custard. So, put away tayo.
All the cold stuff.
All the cold stuff.
Cupcakes. What do you call it?
No. Sak?
Do I put the apples away?
Yes, please.
What about this, Mom?
Si Sak naglalaro. Last, laro.
Mom, what about this?
Kasi bukas yung pasok nila, guys. Bukas na pala yung pasok nila. And today, halos ng ibang school, nag-start ng pasukan. Sak! I told you to put this empty bottles. So, bukas hindi na siya makakapaglaro.
Freezer?
Yes.
There, right there. Mom, put the apples in the fridge. Did you get any more fruit that's gonna go here?
Ha?
Did you get any more fruit that's gonna go here?
Bananas.
Bananas.
Bananas, yes. Yung grapes natin, di ba? Hinugasan ko to kahapon. Ito na lang
I'm
yung
just getting
natira.
my toilet real quick, Mom.
Ano na lang yung natira sa grapes natin. Sa! Please help me here. Put this in the freezer. All the frozen food, please. Ito kasi sa freezer ito. Doon to sa malaking freezer. Put all this frozen food. Ito, pababaw nila hotdog. Akala ni Sak, si Kuya yung tutulong sa akin mag-put away. Kasi siyang kasama ko mag-grocery, diba? Kasi si Kuya naman, lagi nakakaligtas si Kuya sa mga gawain. Tapos si Kuya, yun nga, kasama niya dyan, nanonood ng clothes. Eh siya, ayaw yung sumama. Butter, eto, ilabas ko to kasi kakailanganin ko to. Para ano siya, lumambot. This one, I want you to put that empty bottles to the recycle bin. And this one, it's going to the big freezer, please. Thank you.
Where's that? Where's the bananas from?
Here. And yung grapes na green, ang tamis, kaya green yung kinuha ko. Favorite na ni Jan, tsaka ni Kuya. Very crunchy, same as the red. Yeah, eto, itry ko to. Kasi yung pinsan ko, si Jackie, yung girlfriend niya, or yung friend niya, pumunta sa Australia, or nag-stop over sa airport, and dinalan siya nito. Nagsabi niya, gusto niya daw to. And yung mga bata, na-try na daw to nila sa, pero hindi sila fan. So ako ngayon ko lang ito matatry. So meron siyang para siya yung ano, para siya yung isa yung tawag nun. Yung ganito nila, alam niyo yun yung sinasabi ko, guys. Nakalimut yung Tobies. The door, shut the door. Yung Tobies, parang Tobies lang siya kasi iba lang naman yung brand. Ito real. And nagustuhan ni Jackie. Sabi niya, Ate Cho, meron kayo nito, sabi ko, sa Kohl's yan. And, yeah. So, ngayon, bumili tayo. Tanggalin ko na lang to sa box kasi kailangan to ilagay sa ref kasi may cheese. So, mayroon siyang, ilan ba to? 10 pieces. What's going on?
Holy.
What are you doing to Holly?
Where's my chicken?
Oh, you said you're not hungry. Okay, I'm just gonna finish this one first.
So, if you don't want to have chicken.
What?
Custard!
No, you're gonna have dinner.
here.
Okay, this one.
Helen, you know where to put it? But you can't catch.
Just leave it there. Just leave it there, and then later you put it away. Okay, help me to put the snacks. Come on.
I will, Mom. I'll grab everything.
Now you help me, all of you. And kumain sa na Scooby-Doo. Here. Do it properly, please. Here's the banana, Holly. Sabi niya, kainin, magtira raw ng 3 yung pahinugin ng yung sobrang para sa banana bread niya. Kaya and eto, hugasan ko ang mga to para malagay niya sa container. This one, popcorn.
Let me take this back.
Yes. See, I told you, you be careful, Zachary.
There's not much stuff, Mom.
No, it's not. You're not
Yes,
looking.
it is. Look.
You're not looking.
It is.
Stop.
We will put this somewhere later, Mom.
Huh?
Put this somewhere later.
Yeah, just put it there for now.
Yeah.
And this one, bags.
Is the cucumber going to stay in the...
Huh?
What about
beans, Baba. Put it here. Mahulog yung beans.
Oh, beans.
Bumili ako ng corn. Yung may ano pa, yung may balat pa. Kasi pag yung kinuha ko yung nabalatan, madali siyang masira. Si Oli kasi gusto niya magbaon ng corn.
Okay, here's the bean. That's the whole bean.
What's that?
Okay.
Okay. Give me the kebab. Kebab.
Alright. The first bag done. Oh, no, 2 bags are done.
Look at me, I put this on just for you. Can't you see? Don't wanna think too much, just want your touch. Ooh, my love, keep it real with me. Know it is such a baby. Wanna get to know you better. 너와 함께 있으면 나 몸이 뜨거워져 all night. Just wanna feel your touch. 조금 더 가까이 to make you mine. Tell me your name. Tell me your secret.
Hey, put the Nutella and the peanut in there. Hopefully it's cold. You have it, the cabinet is packed.
Okay, put this in the bin. Oh, I need lagay natin to sa container.
Oh, Mom,
Ah.
you know these, the
that?
new roll-ups, they have tattoos, so when you eat it and suck on it, there will be a tattoo on your tongue.
What? What?
Like a tongue print.
That
tongue
one?
print.
Ah, tongue print.
Yeah. It's really cool. And that's a new fiber, by the way, Mom. So
Ilagay ko dito sa yung smiley face para tumagal ang light. Kasi nagtatagal tong 4 days. Hindi ko siya itanggalin sa
I love
plastic.
smiley fruits. Can I
Lagay
have
ko
it for
siya.
lunch tomorrow?
Yeah.
We'll have blackberry and raspberry and blueberries and grapes for fruit.
So, hindi ko siya tinanggal sa plastic para
And it's my
mas
birthday.
preserve siya.
It's my birthday.
So,
and we have to
ilagay
eat.
natin siya sa
Yes. Is this
side
going to go in the
container.
fridge?
Ah.
Is this going in the fridge?
Yeah, I'll do that. And ito yung favorite ni Kuya na ham. Before ang binibili ko yung nasa pack. Ngayon, ayaw na nila nun. Gusto nila yung gypsy ham. So, same. Ilalagay ko din dito na may plastic.
Is it cute? Let me get this one.
Okay na. Coles. I'm not sure. Forgot.
What about these, Mom?
What's that?
I'm not sure what those are too.
Oh, this is big.
Do you want this over there too?
Yeah. Ito, hugasan ko to. Is everything in the fridge?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Let me
Okay.
That's
At
good.
ito pa.
Where do you want the wraps?
That goes to the pantry.
Oh, just there.
Is there more?
No, there's nothing. That's cold.
And kumuha rin ako ng yung may guacamole, yung real.
Yeah, we got 2.
Yung isa cheese lang. Guacamole.
And there's a whole pack of them.
Okay. I think that's
Where's
everything.
the cupcakes gonna go?
Just there. Alright.
We don't need
Ayusin
them.
ko lang. And you have to put that one. Baba, can you get that one? The tumbler. It's on the floor.
Can I use this one for school?
No. You have your proper one. Okay, hugasan ko lang yung mga fruits and linis. So, ito na yung dinner nila. Chicken and yung salad na yung ginawa ko nung Australia Day. Kasi gustong-gusto nila to. Ayan. Ayan. Ha? You don't want it? You don't want it? What? You don't want it?
I want onions.
No, there's no onions. Just a little
What
bit.
is that?
Ang ayaw lang ni Sak dito ay yung sibuyas. Okay. Okay. Wash your hands, please. Wash your hands. Oh my God, Zachary.
Oh my God, Chona.
Wash it properly. Wash it properly. Huwag mo lang yung binabasa. 27. Fork.
What on it for?
Oh, for your salad. Okay. Gagawa ulit ako ng salad kasi naubos na. Si kuya kumain din siya ng salad kagabi. After ng dinner, mga ilang, siguro after 1.5 hours or 2 hours, kumain ulit si kuya. Ganun si kuya guys, lagi siyang kumakain after dinner. Kaso nga, diba, tapos na yung vlog natin nun. So, hindi nyo nakikita. Pero laging kumukuha si kuya sa pantry. Kahit ano, mahilig si kuya kumain. Pero hindi sila tumataba. Ganun talaga sila guys. Kasi si Jan, nung bata si Jan payatot. Ako din payatot. So, syempre, siguro nakuha nila sa amin. Saan pa ba nila makukuha yun? Kaya, kung maliit ang legs ni Holly, kasalanan ko yun. Kasi maliit po ang legs ko. Malaki yung upper body ko except dito. Pero yung mga braso ko malaki. Pero yung legs ko maliit. Si papa ko, ganun din. Yung kapatid ko, si Ying Bicolana, ganun din.
Salamat!
Walang ano man. Okay, kain na. Okay, gawa muna ako ng salad ulit. Kasi gusto ko rin.
What do you smell it? Thank you.
Pinayak na naman ako ng sibuyas.
Are you okay, Mama?
Yeah, tapos na silang kumain. And, hiniwalay ko yung sibuyas kasi si Sak ayaw niyang may sibuyas. So, at least ready na yung salad. Anytime na gusto nila. Okay. I-prepare ko na rin yung aking kakainin.
Mom, can we have dessert after our food goes
Yeah.
down? After our food?
Okay. Yeah.
Wait, can I have
Later na,
a
when
little
Kuya
bit of
say,
fruit? A little bit of fruit?
yeah. Apple. Have an apple.
Yes.
Wash the apple. Go get the apple. Ginagawa na pala ni Sak yung kanyang mga notebooks. Binabalutan niya na. And si Holly nakaligo na. Ako hindi pa rin ako nakakain. And si Holly kukunin niya rin yung bag niya para malagay na namin yung kanyang.
So, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Malagyan na natin ang cover.
10.
Okay, come on.
Right, because I got on it.
Okay. Ayan, tapos na yung kay Holly. Si Sak tapos na kanina pa. And isi-set up ko na yung alarm.
Yes.
Dito na pala sila dyan and ako kumakain pa lang. And sila matutulog na.
Thanks for watching our vlog. Please like and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next vlog. Night, guys.
Good night.
And it's my first day of school tomorrow, and I'm excited because I'm in year 3 now.
Ayan, kumakain tayo.
Because I think I do want you next to me.